Hello everyone, my name is Parvati and I'm so happy to be a senior KG student at MLZS School in Chanchal. I adore my school because it's so beautiful and special. We have a fantastic play area for both indoor and outdoor games. We have a huge library where we can choreograph and read books. At my school, we learn, grow and have a ton of fun. My teacher is the sweetest and most caring person ever. My school is the best school in the city and I am so excited to go to school every day.
My name is Aradhya Garwala and I am currently studying in the 4th grade at MLZS School Chanchal. I adore my school because of the amazing teachers we have. They are all high qualified, experienced, knowledgeable and teach us with all their hearts. Our teachers use a variety of activities to make learning fun and engaging for us. This is why we enjoy coming to school every day. They are not just our teachers, but also our friends and mentors. We all have a great respect and admiration for them. It is one of the best schools in the city and learning there is a great experience. My school organizes a range of cultural events including sports and annual function where they identify and nurture our talents and unique potential. I feel very fortunate to be a part of such an amazing school and I am grateful to my teachers for helping me grow and learn every day. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anita Malundar and I am currently studying at MLZS School in Chanchal. Our school follows CBSE curriculum activities and our school is an English medium school. Our school has a flexible syllabus that includes both scholastic and non-scholastic subjects such as English, Maths, EVS, General Knowledge, Computer, Art and Craft, Music, Dance, etc. We also have opportunities to participate in activities such as dancing, singing, yoga and karate. One of the best things about my school is that we get to choose our second language, which means we can learn our favorite language. We use German method of study. My name is Litera and I am a student of MLZS School Chanchal. I am currently studying in grade 2. I love my school because we have various art and craft activities that we can participate in. Our art and craft teacher gives us different and interesting art forms and crafts, which we enjoy doing. We also decorate our school with our beautiful art. Thank you.
My name is Surasa and I am currently studying in grade 3 at MLZS School Chanchal. I love my school because it has a beautiful auditorium that is used for music and dance performances. Our music teacher is well experienced in various dance forms. She teaches us new styles for every occasion. I am grateful to be a student of such a wonderful school. Thank you.
Out Litera!